I am from Govras, Maths Hub. Today I have taken question number 8. The question is, at what points in the interval, close interval 0, 2 pi close interval, does the function sin 2x attains maximum value? Here I shall write self. Implied that given that f of x equal to sin 2x, here f of x is the function of the x, f of x equal to sin 2x. Here it says the function sin 2x. F is a function of x. Let f of x equal to sin 2x. Sin 2x is given. Where x belong to close interval 0, 2 pi. In bracket you can write left. Given that the function is sin 2x, let the function be f of x equal to sin 2x, where x belong to close interval 0, 2 pi close interval left. What will do next? Next I shall write here, imply that differentiating f of x with respect to x, we shall get, imply that d over dx of f of x equal to d over dx of sin 2x, implied that d over dx of f of x comes out to be f dash of x. Here f dash of x is the first order derivative of f of x, equal to d over dx of sin 2x comes out to be 2 cos 2x, comma, for all x belong to close interval 0, 2 pi close interval. Again I shall write for maxima or minima, put f dash of x equal to 0, imply that 2 cos 2x equal to 0, imply that cos 2x equal to 0. Comma, for all x belong to close interval 0, 2 pi close interval. So we have got cos 2x equal to 0. Condition is that x belong to close interval 0, 2 pi close interval. What to do next? Next I shall write, imply that cos 2x equal to, here you can see cos 2x equal to 0. So cos 2x equal to, in place of 0 I can write very well in term of cos in bracket 0 pi plus pi by 2. Here you can see 0 pi. 0 you will multiply to pi, comes out to be 0. So you will get here cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 means cos 90 degree comes out to be 0. So 0 you have got. Now see whether this value will fall under the closed interval 0, 2 pi closed interval. So like this we shall write. Again I shall write cos 2x equal to cos 1 pi plus pi by 2. Cos 1 pi. Here I have written 0 pi in sequence I shall write. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on we shall write under the limit this one. 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this I shall write under the condition this one. And here pi is there, plus there. Again I shall write cos 1 pi minus pi by 2 will be written. Here you can see 1 pi plus 1 pi minus pi by 2. This like pattern, this is the pattern you must make. Again I shall write cos 1 pi cos 2 pi plus pi by 2. 1 pi plus minus 2 pi plus pi by 2. Again I shall write cos 2x equal to cos 2 pi minus pi by 2. Again I shall write imply that cos 2x equal to cos 3 pi plus pi by 2. Again I shall write cos 2x equal to cos 3 pi minus pi by 2. Up to this I shall write. Now what to do next? 0 pi, 1 pi, 1 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 3 pi, plus minus. Now what to do next? Next, here you can see cos 0 plus pi by 2 comes out to be cos 0. Cos 90 degree comes out to be 0. All these value will comes out to be 0, but you have to consider the condition is this one, x belongs to. What I shall write here? Here again I shall write implied that. Here you can see pi plus pi by 2. So again I shall write implied that cos 2x equal to 0 plus pi. 0 will multiply to pi. 0 will multiply to pi, comes out to be 0. So cos pi by 2. So here you will get cos pi by 2. Again I shall write implied that cos 2x into cos 1 pi plus pi by 2. So what will do in this case? Cos 1 pi plus pi by 2. So here cos 1 pi plus pi by 2 means cos pi plus pi by 2. It will go in cos pi plus pi by 2. It will go in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos will be negative. The negative sign you will get here. And since here pi is there, the cos pi by 2 comes out to be 0. So this is correct. What will do here? Here I shall write cos 2x equal to, just simplify this one, pi plus pi by 2 comes out to be 2 pi plus cos 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 हो जाएगा. Pi plus pi by 2. Pi plus pi by 2. 2 pi plus pi. 2 pi plus pi. 3 pi by 2 we have got. Again I shall write implied that cos 2x equal to, this one will be simplified, pi minus pi by 2. So here we will get 2 pi minus pi. Pi by 2 will get, so here also we will get pi by 2. Same value you can be repeating same time. Now here we will get cos 2x equal to cos 2 pi plus pi by 2. This value will get 2 pi means 360 degree. Plus it will go in first quadrant. In first quadrant we will get cos pi by 2. Cos will be positive. In first quadrant, cos pi by 2 means cos 0 degree. So here we will get cos 2x equal to cos pi by 2 again we will get. This thing we will get. Just decide this one, not this one. But here we will get pi minus pi by 2 comes out to pi by 2. It is okay. 2 pi plus pi by 2. So 2 2 is 4. 4 pi plus pi comes out 5 pi by 2. Cos 5 pi by 2. Cos 2 2 is 4. 4 pi plus pi cos 5 pi by 2. Again I shall write implied that cos 2x equal to, here this one we will do 2 pi minus pi by 2 comes out to 2 2 is 4. 4 pi minus pi comes out 3 pi by 2. So here I shall write cos 3 pi by 2. Same as it is. Again I shall write cos 2x equal to cos 3 2 is 6, pi plus pi comes 7 pi by 2. Again I shall write cos 3 pi minus pi by 2. You will get here cos 6 pi. 3 2 is 6. 6 pi minus pi comes out to be cos 2x equal to cos 5 pi by 2. This thing you will get. Now what to do next? Here you can see cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2. This thing is being repeated here, cancelled out. Here again you can see cos 3 pi by 2, cos 3 by 2. Here cos 2x equal to cos 3 pi by 2. Here also cos 2x equal to cos 3 pi by 2. Repeating the same thing, cancelled out. Here again cos 5 by 2, cos phi by 2 being repeated twice, cancelled out. So we will get here last result. You have got implies that cos 2x equal to cos pi by 2, implies that cos 2x equal to cos 3 pi by 2, implies that cos 5 pi, cos 2x, we will write here cos 2x equal to cos 5 pi by 2. Again I shall write cos 2x equal to cos 7 pi by 2. Just tidy. Cos 2x equal to cos pi by 2 I have written. Cos 2x equal to cos 3 pi by 2 I have written. Here also cos 2x equal to cos pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2, cos 5 pi by 2 or cos 7 pi by 2. This thing I have written. Now what to do next? Next condition, here I shall write condition will be comma for all x belong to close interval 0, 2 pi. Condition will be the, here also condition will be for all x belong to close interval 0, 2 pi. Here also for all x belong to close interval 0, 2 pi. Here also for all x belong to close interval 0, 2 pi. Condition will be this one. Here we will get 2x is equal to pi by 2, implies that here you can see cos 2x is equal to cos pi by 2. So this cos will be cancelled out. We will get here 2x is equal to pi by 2. 2x into pi by 2 I have written. The value of x must be, the value here you can see, the value of x must be in between 0 and 2 pi. So here you will calculate x equal to pi by 4. X equal to pi by 4 you will get x equal to pi by 4 means x equal to 45 degree. 45 degree will fall in between. Again if I write here 2x is equal to 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. So now consider this one. The value of x will be 3 dot pi by 4. So 3 dot pi by 4. Calculate this one. 3 into 45 degree. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. It will comes out with 5 3 ja 15. Remainder will be 1. 4 3 ja 12. 12 135. Again 135 will fall between 0 and 2 pi. So this is correct. Now here I shall write 2x is equal to 5 pi by 2. Now check the value of x. The value of x here will be 5 pi by 4. The 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4. Again 5 pi by 4. 5 into 45 degree. Calculate this one. 5 5 ja 25. We will get carry 2. Or 5 4 ja 20. 20 plus 2 22. So here you can again 225 degree will fall between 0 and 2 pi. This is correct. Now again I shall write here, imply that 2x equal to 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2. Now calculate this one, 2x equal to 7 pi by 2. So what to do? If I take cos 2x equal to cos 7 pi by 2 for all x belong to closed interval 0, 2 pi closed interval. If this condition is verified, then 2x equal to cos 7 pi by 2. So here I have written, let verify. So cos 2x is 7 pi by 2. So now calculate this one. Here we will get x equal to 7 pi by 4. Now calculate 7 into 45. We will get here 7 5 ja 35. 7 5 35, 7 5 ja 35, 3 और 7 4 जा 28, 28 plus 3, 315. You will get here 315 degree. 315 degree fall between 0 and 2 pi. This one is verified. If I proceed further, if I write here 3 pi, so here you can see 3 pi plus pi by 2. Here you can 3 pi minus pi by 2. If I write here, imply that cos 2x equal to cos 3 plus minus. So here I write 4 pi plus pi by 2. Now consider this one, what happened? 4 pi plus pi by 2. If I take this one, 3, 4 I shall write. So we will get here, what we will get here? We will get here, implied that 2x equal to, or here over 1, 4 2 ja 8. 8 pi plus pi comes out to be 9 pi by 2. We will get here 9 pi by 2. So now you have got 4 दूना 8 pi plus pi, 9 pi by 2 you have got. Now check whether you will get here x equal to 9 pi by 4. It will become. So now check this one, 9 into 45. Calculate this one. You will get here 9 5 ja 45. Carry will be 4. And 9 4 ja 36. 36 plus 4. 36 plus 4. 40. You will get here 40. Again you can see here 405 will not fall between 0 and 2 pi. Here 2 pi is the maximum value of x. The x equal to 360 degree will be the maximum value. Here you have got 405. That's why 405 is not between 0 and 360 degree. That's why this will not be applicable, this will not be implemented at all. Cross this one. Again if we write here minus, so what result here? If we write here minus cos 2x equal to cos 4 pi minus pi by 2, if I write here, what will happen here? You will get here 2x equal to, or 2x equal to, here you will get 4 to 8, 8 pi minus pi, 8 4 to 8 pi minus pi comes out to be 7 pi. So 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2. Again value of x will get here 7 pi by 2. So here you can see 2x equal to 7 by 2. I have already taken here x equal to 7 pi by 2. I have already, here you can see x 2x equal to 7 pi by 2. So here I have written 2x equal to 7 pi by 2 I have written. So this is valid, but repeated here as I have already taken 2x equal to 7 pi by 2. Here we have got 2x equal to 7 pi by 2. This means that this is being repeated will be considered. This will be the last limit, that will be the maximum value of x comes out to be 2 pi. So this thing you have got. Now I am going to erase this one. Actually this is the rough work for assumption purpose, and you can get very well from this place. I can write here very well. For this is the rough work, you can assume what value of 2x and x will be. Here we have got 2x equal to, here you have got 2x equal to pi by 2, implied that x equal to pi by 4. From this place I shall write comma 2x equal to, take this one 3 pi by 2. You will get here implied that x equal to 3 pi by 4 you will get, comma, if I take 2x equal to 5 pi by 2, you will get here implied that x equal to 5 pi by 4 you will get. Again 2x equal to 7 pi by 2 I shall write, you will get here x equal to 7 pi by 4 you will get. This thing you will get. Since x belong to closed interval 0, 2 pi, then value of x will be 0, comma, write in sequence x equal to pi by 4. So here write x equal to pi by 4, comma, x equal to 3 pi by 4, x equal to 3 pi by 4, comma, here I shall write 5 pi by 4, x equal to 5 by 4. Here again I shall write x equal to 7 pi by 4. This value we have got. The value of x will be and 2 pi. 2 pi will be the maximum value of x and minimum value of x will be 0. In between I have written pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. The value of x will be calculated like this. Now what we'll do here, here again I said that when x equal to 0, then implied that f of x equal to sin 2x. You will get here f of 0 equal to sin 0, implied that f of 0 equal to 0 degree. F of 0 equal to 0 degree. Here again I shall write when x equal to pi by 4, implied that f of pi by 4 equal to sin 2 pi by 4, will get implied that f of pi by 4 equal to sin 4 divided by 2 comes out to be sin pi by 2, implies that f of pi by 4 comes out to be 1. So at s equal to pi by 4, value of f of x will be 1. Like this you have to calculate. When x equal to 3 pi by 4 implies that f of 3 pi by 4 equal to sin 2 multiply to 3 pi by 4 equal to, here you can see 2 is there. In place of x I shall write 3 pi by 4. You will get here sin 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. The value of sin 3 pi by 2 we shall calculate. So here I shall write sin pi plus pi by 2, because 3 pi by 2 can be written as pi plus pi by 2. So you will get here pi plus it will go in third quadrant. In third quadrant sign will be negative. Pi plus it will go in third quadrant, sign will be negative. Here you get sin pi by 2. You will get here equal to minus 1. Sin pi by 2 equal to sin 90 degree. Now sin 90 degree equal to 1. So minus 1 you will have that. Again I shall write when x equal to 5 pi by 4 implies that f of 5 pi by 4 will get here sin 2 into 5 pi by 4 equal to sin 5, this is 5 pi by 2. You will get here equal to sin, this calculate this one, 5 pi by 2, from where you will get 5 pi by 2, this one I shall write 5 pi by 2, from where we shall get. So here I can write very well 2 pi plus pi by 2. If you write like this, so 2 pi plus pi by 2, 2 pi plus pi by 2 comes out to be 5 pi by 2. You will get here 2 pi means 360 degree, plus pi by 2 go in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigo ratio will be positive. That's why here 2 pi is there. So here positive sign will be there. So here I shall write sin pi by 2 equal to 1. Again I shall write when x equal to 7 pi by 2, s equal to 5 pi by 4 is okay. 7 pi by 4. Let's say right here 7 pi by 4 implies that f of 7 pi by 4, this value I shall take. So you will get here sin 2 into 7 pi by 4. You will get here sin 7 pi by 2. Again I shall write sin 7 pi by 2. Again I shall write sin in bracket 7 pi I can write very well 4 pi minus pi by 2. Just calculate this one. 4 pi minus pi by 2. So you will get here 4 2 ja 8, 8 pi minus pi 7 pi by 2 will get. This is okay. So 4 pi means 4 pi, 2 pi 300, 4 pi means 720 degree minus, it will go in minus 360 degree. Like this you will kind of assume here. This is quadrant, this is x axis, this is y axis, this is origin. So you have to find out 4 pi minus pi by 2. So first of all go here from this point to up to this point. You will get here 1 pi. From this point to this point you will get here 2 pi. Again you will get here from this place to 3 pi. From this place you will get here 4 pi. So up to this one you will get here 4 pi. 4 pi minus pi by 2. This means that value will fall 4 pi minus pi by 2. So 4 pi minus pi by 2 will fall in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant it will take negative sign. In fourth quadrant sign will be negative. In fourth quadrant sign will be negative. In fourth quadrant sign will be negative. Here you will get sign will be negative, or here you will get sin pi by 2. Again you have got equal to minus 1. Equal to minus 1. Minus sign will be there. Since here sign you will get here minus sin pi by 2 minus 1. Like this if I write here, when x equal to 2 pi, you will get here f of 2 pi equal to sin 2 into 2 pi, you will get here sin 4 pi. I can write here sin 4 pi plus 0 will get here sin 4 pi. 4 pi go from this place to this place 1 pi, from this place to this place 2 pi, again from this place to 3 pi, from this place to 4 pi. 4 pi plus 0 will be in first quadrant. In first quadrant all Trigo ratio will be positive. So here I shall write here positive, sign will be positive, here 0 degree. The sin 0 degree equal to 0. So what value we have got? Here it says the function sin 2x attain maximum value. The sin 2x will attain maximum value. So I shall take from maximum value that at which point of x sin 2x will attain maximum value. So find out the maximum value. So here 0, 1 is maximum, or this one is maximum. Here you can use 0. 0 is less, minus 1 is less, 1 is greater, maximum, minus 1 is also less, 1 is greater, 0 is there. The maximum value 1 at 2 place we have got. The point will be at, here I shall write answer, at x equal to pi by 4, at x equal to pi by 4, sin 2x will be have maximum value 1. So here I shall write at x equal to pi by 4, and x equal to, here you can see again, just track this one, x equal to 5 by 4. So here 5 pi by 4, x equal to 5 by 4, sin 2x at x equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 5 pi by 4, sin 2x will attain max value. This will be correct answer you have got. Answer will be this one. Here I shall write answer. Answer. At s equal to pi by 4 and s equal to 5 pi by 4, sin 2x will attain max value. Max value. This will be the correct explanation and solution of question number 8 that has been taken from exercise 6.5, chapter 6, maximum and minima of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.